mas gusto ko yung mas malat yung madaming wait lang. May tatanong ako. Ano ang mas madaming color dito sa mall? Green. Oo, tama.
Di ba po ma'am?
Kasi madami.
Blue, wala ka bang may nakikita ko bang blue dito?
Ayun yung sa langit.
Ito po ma'am.
Kanino ko no? Blue, green, and white. Yeah.
White na white.
Cloud
Hindi ko kasi kamukha eh.
Yun ako.
Kamukha ng papa niya.
Ay, patikot siya.
Kamukha ng papa niya. Sobra.
KR to, di ba? KR?
Nakakalimutan niyo yung, nakakalimutan niyo yung kulay red.
KR 7.
Ayun o.
O yung palagi kasi nakikita.
Aray ko, buildings.
Buildings. Bahay, malaki. Bahay, tapos tao.
Uy, bobo ako. Ding-ding tayo, ding-ding. Ding-ding tayo, ding-ding.
Dito.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ate, oh.
Ding, ding. Ano yung pinakamalaking color dito sa mundo?
Yung blue.
Mali, kulay red.
Ano?
Mali, kulay red. Yung mga bahay, oh, kulay red. Bubong nila.
Tagal, oh.
Ano yan? Hindi ganyan. Lutot ba?
Yan, look na yan. Okay na to.
Oy, wala.
Ito yun eh.
Ah, hindi. Look na yan. Ganyan lang. Ayan, ang lutot to.
Slow. Kinky.
Hoy. Pag nag-ano ko, pinag ako dito, ang bilis eh.
Dito, Bluetooth rin ba to?
Papa, nakita. Papa, mama, yeah. Mami,
Kailan mo ginamit to?
papa, away ako. Mami, papa, away ako. Mami, papa, away ako.
Oo! Ito ako.
Papi, away ako.
Coach.
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 Bakit sila nagkain ko?
Ha?
Nagmagano mo naman talaga. Ilan mo sila? Ayos yun ah.
Wait, pati ko na umat. Aray ko.
Coach.
Hindi ba po siya Coach, kaya siya show sa family feud.
1 month na.
Bawal nang ilabas yun.
Try natin to. May mold. May nakalagay ng mold. Ayan, Bluetooth.
Kailan?
Ito. Ginagawa niya yung kuha ko.
Anong pangalan ng mo ang Bluetooth?
Refresh ko na lang bago lang yung sa akin. Pinakalan ko eh.
Kasi yun. Quadromax ba? Ah, Quadromax na tawag ko. Ayan, lumabas.
Dito na lang.
Akin na
Kung
kasi.
instant yun, hindi sana ang dami na.
Opo lang kasi ako.
Kunin mo yung
Quadromax na.
Opo ako.
Wait mo.
Ayaw din.
Ano nga to? Lindsay!
Anong tag na?
Ate Lindsay, oh, ayoko pa uwi.
Ma, ano ba? Share kasi kayo. Ma, isang buwan.
Ayoko kasi dito magpaupo.
Huwag tayo magpapo.
Akin na!
It's mine.
Uy! Bakit ako?
Poke na.
Ginano mo ba?
parang nag-click.
Nawala yung meron. Pero ayaw pa rin eh.
Nagago.
Nagki-pairing lang eh.
Yan! Akin yan! Hoy!
King, masyadong makulit, King.
Doon. Pango! Kaya! Pango! Kayo! Kayo! Ate! Ate! Kayo! Ate! Hoy, tayo! Ate tayo! Ate! Wala ka!
Ano, wala pa din? Dami
Ano,
na.
connecting. Teka lang.
Uy! Wala naman kami tumuupuan! Umupo lang kami! Ay! Kami na lang yung upuan! Lock!
Basta nakitaan mo ng potential, tapos effort.
Hoy! Upo lang kami!
Ano sila sa iba?
Upo lang kami!
Saan na siya sa history?
Wala, lagot.
Nanalo siya, dalawang title. Ay, tatlong title yan. Introduction.
Special awards po.
Mga ganun lang.
Pag ayan, umiyak, lagot ka
Kaya
pintin.
kasali ka ako dito.
Ikaw.
Masaya po.
Umiyak ako!
Yung sila nang galing.
Ano pong mga ano? Post
Ayaw.
Sila masasabi ng
para mapaganda.
Ouch!
Hindi po talaga na magkakaroon. Kasi sa iba,
Dito na lang siguro yung try ko dito ulit.
Ulugin mo! Ulugin mo! Tapos umiyak ka! Mo kasi susubukan na lang. Ulugin mo! Ow! Tama sanay ka. Ow! Aray ko! Pupatol sa babae, bakla. Bakla. Gusto mo ka. Ayok. Ano ba? Grabe pati yan.
Huwag mo pakainin mo.
ito yung workshop.
Aray! Aya! Aya ka!
Ate, nakailan workshop?
Ano na yung taray ko?
Yes, yes.
Taga lang talaga.
Oy! Nay ko yung kakarap sa tenga ko! Aray! Aray! Baka ka pala. Baka. Ah!
Yun na.
Maraming kayo ito.
Nakawawang
Huwag ka. Huwag ka.
Ay, pag nahimik ka, ay
Okay.
ito naman yun. Wala dito, babe.
Ay, ganito ba yun? Wala yung nakakatawa. Ay, baliktad pala. Ganito pala. Kakainin mo lang. Ay, linisin natin. Linisin natin. Linisin natin. Aray! Di ba ang takat ng pinarot ba sa akin?
Alam mo yung may nakakonect dito so hindi hindi siya gano'n.
Kapul. Kapul. Ba't kayo di naglalaro? Thinking ba? Patayin ko yan. Kami na lang
Wala mo na
matama.
lumabas. Alam ko na. Kaya natin.
Nalabo.
Lumabas ko lang.
Gusto mo ba ng spray? Gusto ko pang spray dito sa sis.
Thinking! Oh, punta ko!
Sa Watson yan sis, minsan ano sila nag-say.
Ikaw nagsimula, nagpapatok ka eh.
Ako siya sis.
Oo.
Hindi nakakasila ng hair.
Oh.
Ganda
Ang
yun.
sakit. Ang sakit.
Hindi siya sobrang dika. Yung nag-video sa TikTok, yung nakaka-English. Parang bato na.
Ate, opo. Ulo. Ikaw magpasabihan. Ulo, lugot ko. 6, 7. 7. 7. May bawal. Face the wall. Aray!
Lumabas din.
Pa! Kanina pa kayo?
Oh, ready na!
Wait na! Isa pa!
Wala ayoko na.
Uy, pag nahulog.
Pangit. Pangit.
Ma! Ah!
Hindi. Umupo lang ako. Hindi ako pinapupo.
Ano naman gumagano'n ka eh?
Hindi niyo ako pinapupo. Tigit-tigit lang. Umiigaw ba ako? Magpapabol siya. Magpapabol daw. Kasi daw, ay, tulog mo na. Ilang digit.
Nagtatalay si Delikado ka dyan pag naba. Dahil tumbling ka yan.
Uy, gagawin ko magalaw. Second game.
Ay.
Uy, ba't ka na kumibigis? Uy, gumagalaw na doon kayo.
Try mo na to para alam mo na yung quality niya sa air pagka next time.
Aray!
Nakakamali ka na talaga yung sa naman eh. Nakadating pa natin yung kasi pagka biglaan. Pinakang here. Kasi po minsan di ba yung ay,
Wala ko eh.
may mga basher. Pero okay lang yung basher. Ang padali. Napapansin ka. I-positive way mo na lang yung basher na yan. Lahat naman ng artista. Yes. Ano ba? Layo ka ng layo.
Pawat mo.
Pasok ka.
Hindi, sasayaw lang naman. Hindi naman.
Hey!
Wala! Ano to?
Lo!
I-interview
Ano yan? Tingin.
Gucci siya! Gucci! Kami sila na.
Wala, may... May
Nahulog?
Gucci na niya.
Kailangan ng ano
Gucci
to,
o nasa bag? Nasa bag to si Pai ng Gucci.
Ako yun.
Matagal na naglalaro.
Ako leader. Ako leader.
Hello.
Ikaw kasi.
Ay, nako, cellphone. No. Kala yung Bluetooth nagloloko.
I'm Patrick.
Baka po may kumokonect eh. Tingnan ko po yung Bluetooth ko.
Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Uy!
Ang tagal
Yung
mag-connect eh.
kaibigan mo, ano ka speech?
Sige nito yun na. Pangit ang game sa likod.
Balaba.
Yung kaibigan mo, sinusulit.
Balama.
King. King.
May may sanriyo ka pa dyan.
Ay.
Apo, meron din po. Dalawa.
Babala.
Baka makasya
Sampo.
Hoy, naka-video kayo.
Madami ka pa.
Ay.
Baka makasya.
Uy, pakita ka talaga sa Facebook.
Oo, ganun din ako sa game.
Tumitingin ako dun, oh. Tumitingin ako sa video.
Pati dito lang ako ah. Siya na leader. No, I'm the leader.
No. No one's leader.
Mia.
Dati rin yung
Sabi mo, ikaw yung leader kasi ulit ka.
Tara.
Wala talaga.
Dadoy-doy nila. Sabay-sabay sila nagsasalita.
Kasi interviewin ka ni ano.
Okay, kids! Ready na kayo?
Hindi pa
Oh, makulit ha!
Ay, inad ata ako ni ano sa inad ko na ata sa Facebook.
Higa mo na ako.
Ayun pa po.
Ah, sige po.
Mamaya pa. Yan na.
Ay, di na kayo. Stretching muna tayo.
Ayan na si Coach. Makikinig kay Coach ha. Ganda ng baby na yan.
Nalalamigan ako.
Kasi, alam mo, billboard jacket kita, huwag ka makulit.
Ay! Ito malalim.
Doon pala talaga sa ano.
Oh, dito na, dito na, dito na. Malamig, dito ka lang. Asan na yung remote nito?
Ay, hindi.
Ayan na.
Ay, meron talaga si ano. King, gagawin kitang ano, queen. Ulit.
Baka may sa tabi ko, okay?
Gagawin kitang queen.
Okay. Dito kayo,
Makinig
kids.
kay Coach.
Yung girls, harap. Girls. In between tayo. No.
Para makatulong yung grupo niyo.
In between, dito. Isang, ayan. Sa kabila. Yan. Okay. Move backward. Step backward. One step backward.
Kami may
Okay.
victim kami.
Then, move to the right. Para makita sila sa likod. Forward. Yes. No. Backward, boys. Backward. Okay? 3 girls sa front, 2 boys sa back. Okay? Para nakikita kayo sa mirror. Okay?
13 years old na little siren.
Step back pa. 1 step backward. 1 step backward. Sige pa.
Sige pa daw, one step. King,
Ah,
Rashid.
yung step nyo kasi ganito ka.
yan.
Dapat bigger step.
Yan.
Okay?
Sir, ikaw na si
Kanina pa ako nasa likod. Ay,
Kasi ako naman talaga ang kapali mo eh. Pangalan mo naman lahat yun.
Okay, first, ang gagawin natin is stretching. Mag-warm up tayo para ma-refresh yung katawan. Para pag sumayaw kayo, okay, makasayaw kayo ng maayos at hindi kayo ma-injure. Kasi pag hindi kayo nag-stretching, yung mga ugat-ugat sa katawan, hindi siya na-stretch. Okay? May tendency na ma-injured kayo. Ready? Stand by tayo ha. Makinig ha. Ready? Start tayo. Stretching muna. Start tayo sa head. Okay? Okay? Tigil lang kayo sa akin. Open legs. Tapos naka-13. Parallel yung pa. Okay? Start tayo sa head. Sa right. Okay? Ganun siya. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Then, hold sa right. Hold. Hold. 5, 6, 7. To the left. Okay, go side. Side. Side, go what?
Count it up, then I
Front.
stack it. Whole team beat, no lagging. Put them all in my jacket. I don't even see them make average. Yeah, count it up, then I stack it. Level shit. Yeah. Dance coming in like commas.
Other side, go.
Drama. Step too clean, design. Big old fit out, no line. New case, I step that tone. They fall back when I step in zone. Too hard like stone. Built this up on my own. I don't even check no price. If I want it, I buy it.
Go!
They talk big, but live real life. I live large, that's real life. Too fly, I don't need no wings.
Other side.
They walk slow, tryna copy me.
Stretch.
But they
Stretch.
move like me, put 'em all in my bracket. I don't even see 'em make average.
Okay, front. 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 Go. Front.
Top tier, I've been that right. No talk.
Go back and lay back, lay
They
back.
act tough, but really ain't. One move, I flip
Lay
the
back.
different class, I'm out, they lead. They won't stop, I got the keys. A blueprint came from me.
Okay, very good.
No stress, I don't react. They fall off, I adapt. Too far gone.
Together.
I'm the source.
Together.
Every step got weight on
Right.
it. Every
Up.
move got stayed on it.
Up.
They reach out too late
Push
on
up.
it.
No,
Been
stay.
waiting on the plane.
4,
Can't reach this.
5,
Too
6,
clean, no weakness.
7. Bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. 6, 7. Go down. What? Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Go up. Touch the floor. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up. Touch the floor. Go. Go up. Bilang up lang. Diyan lang. Diyan lang. Stay. Stay. Yung forehead nyo, dikit nyo sa knees. Dikit sa knees sa forehead. Go. Up your knees. Up, up, up. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Okay. Down your hands. Touch the floor. Slowly up. 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 Wait. Sige, water break, water break. Water break, water break.
Ayun, kumikita banda dun. Meron ba yun?
May napulot ako rin kanina dito.
Ayun, kay Coach Chika.
Saan yun, Vin?
Butterfly.
Sa karton daw. Sa'yo ba yan? Saan ba? Butterfly yun.
Yan.
Butterfly.
Nakalumipad eh.
At least hindi lumipad na siya.
Kasi
Kere ba? Kere sa dance?
Diyan ko lang nalagay yun eh. Nakutin mo lang, okay, naupo. Kasi maliit pa siya sa ano eh. Andyan yan.
Ito na.
Hindi, wala na dyan yan.
Ayun na nga, yan na pala eh.
Thank you po.
Nakakahilo kasi yung tumas.
Okay, game.
Okay, game na, game na.
How? How did you...
Game.
Sige na. Ano kaya?
Sabay sa ano?
Eh, out na kasi. Nasa na.
Face tight, I'm locked in. Heartbeat sync with the rhythm.
Okay, sit down. 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 Okay. Again. Hold your ankle. Hold your ankle. Go. Straight your back. Straight your back. Straight your back. Slowly. Okay. Straight your back. Yeah, straight your back. Then straight your back. Slowly down. Now. Down. Down. Sige, down. Head down. Head down. Head down. Go up. 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 Go. And to the right. Okay. Okay. Turn back your head. Your head back. Turn back your head. Turn back your head to the right. Go other side to the left. Go. Turn back to the left. Turn back to the left. Then go into center. Center. Straight your back. Slowly down. One. So down, 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 down. Down. Down back. Your forehead. Okay. Okay, down, down, down. Down. Slowly up. 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 Straight your back. 5, 6. Turn back to the right. Go. 7. To the left. Go. Turn back to the left. Okay, to the center again. Straight your back. And straight your legs. Straight your legs. Point your toes. Point your toes. Point your toes. Point. Okay. That's better. Alisin ka. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Alis ka. Wait, sige. Kung gusto nyo magpalit ng short, pwede. Sige lang, yung first lang, yung first. Yung first lang.
Filipino Runaway Show. Yung July.
Play ulit.
Pwede ako tanggal.
Ay, may tumatawag.
Ganda na, no? Parang kay Lebron.
Ayan na.
Kung sa akin, usuma na lang.
Running it fast. Coming in, never making it last. Too quick, too quick, too quick, too quick, too quick. Double it
Kaya.
Wait, tanggal daw shoes. Hindi daw.
Sige, take a picture. Take a picture.
Ganto na lang ganinin mo.
Say, point your toes. Point your toes. Then, point your toes, point your toes. Straight your back, straight your back. Again, point your toes, point. Then flex. Then flex. Then point again. Okay, then flex again. Then point again. Okay, then flex again. Go, stand. Okay, out. Turn your Go, reverse.
Paano kaya natin ito?
Okay. Point again. Point. Straight your back. Slowly up your arm. Then go down. Now. Your forehead. Sige, down. Down.
Kaya ko pa.
Okay, Marjay. Sino mo kay Marjay? Okay? Okay, down. Down. Slowly up. 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 Point your toes. Again, go down. Your forehead, dikit dapat sa knees. Your forehead, dikit sa knees. Okay, sige, up. Up, okay na. Up. And then bend your knees. Embrace. Straight your back. Yung heel nyo, dikit po sa tayo. Ayan, dikit. Straight your back. Straight your back. And open your arms. Right hand. Balance. Okay, pray. Other side. Straight your arm. Straight your arm. Straight your arm. Embrace again. Straight your back. And together, go. Balance. Sige, tuloy lang. 5, 6, 7. Embrace again. Embrace. Okay. Nandyan muna tayo. Up.
It's done by the morning light, yeah. Too much weight on my mind. I can't rest. All of this risk got me watching my
Okay.
steps. All of this
Okay, ito gawin natin.
stress. One move, now it's back to the desk.
Okay,
Sure,
tayo. Para hindi ka madulas. Para hindi ka madulas. Nadudulas ka. Nadudulas kayo pag hindi nakasya.
had a weight on my chest, put all that pain in the blue. They say they wanna live like they step on my steps. If you choose, turn the sound in the poppin', now I'm riding these shoes. I done seen
Kaya
it,
mo,
but
tingnan mo.
right to the side. Never tripping by the night.
Tara, game, game. Back to work. Game. Okay, next. Makinig, makinig. Okay, jump. Touch the floor. Straight your legs. Up. Straight your legs. Up. Jump again. Oh, tuloy-tuloy ah. Tuloy-tuloy. Ready? So, ngayon yung tuloy-tuloy. 5, 6, 7, jump. Jump. Straight your legs. Jump. Oh, matikit. Boy, step back, boy, step back. Boy, pagkakasik sa first. Sige, wag malikot. Sige, tuloy. Tuloy, jump. Straight your legs. Again, tuloy. Tuloy. Okay, stop. Stand up. Wag mo, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Wag umupo. Okay, jumping jack. Marunong mag-jumping jack. Okay? Magja-jumping jack tayo sa front. 8 counts. Then 8 counts to the right. Then 8 counts to the back. 8 counts to the back. Then 8 counts to the left. Sa left. Okay? Then back to the front. Okay? Ready? Ilang tayo? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to the right. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to the back. Go! 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, to the left. Go! 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, to the front. Go last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Stop. Inhale, exhale. Go. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Wag umupo. Water break.
Don't try it, if it's smoke, we can match. But I doubt you gon' ride it. Big guns, no small change. No squad and I'm on this lane. Switch it up.
muna malikot. I-ano niyo, reserve niyo yung energy niyo kasi magsasayaw na tayo.
Ano, nag-hirap na ano kayo papunta dito? Nag-hirap na ano kayo papunta dito? Ayan, energy.
Dito. Hanggang dulo. Hanggang dulo ulit. Ikot, pagulong. Pagulakas ka.
Ako naman.
Tulog lang.
Dong gining. Dong gining ging 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 ging. Dong gining ging 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 ging.
Dulas.
Ging gining ging 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 ging. Ging gining ging
Huwag kang
ging ging.
pabigat. Magaan ka lang.
Tulungan nga kita. Taas ka. Bala ka dyan.
Kuno lang. Kuno man. Sakay ka. Ah,
Ay, nagpapalagay ako ng tao dito eh.
yeah.
Ako muna.
Ako muna.
Malaki ka masyado. Ay! Hindi kasi dito nagpapalagay ako ng tao.
Saan?
Kaya ba ako?
Okay.
Hindi. Ginawa ko nga yun sa best friend ko dati muna. Pero ngayon,
Ako na. Babae ka.
Wag, baka mabigat ka eh.
Okay, girl.
Ay, ito na, ito na. Hindi, joke lang. Uy, ito na. Hoy, hoy! Hindi, dito ko. Dito ka dapat. Ah!
Malakas.
Uy, sabi na, di ba i-reserve niyo yung energy niyo?
Oo nga.
Okay? Okay na?
Okay, okay.
Wala pa.
Back to your blocking.
Sige.
To your place, back to your place.
Ano yan? Wilawin mo ba?
Tawag na kayo, bebe. Tawag na kayo.
Wilawin mo na to?
Game, 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 game.
Bebe, game na.
Back to your place, huwag na malikot. Okay. Start tayo ng dance ha. Yung style ng dance natin is
Magama.
hip-hop punk. Okay? Okay? Feet together. Then, down your head. First step. Okay? In the count of 2 counts and 1 and 2 and open ng 3. Okay, one more. And 1 and 2 go. 3, 4. Okay? 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, side. Siya. One more. Head down. 1, 2, get siya. 3, heads up muna. Okay, ulitin natin. 1, 2, heads up. 3, go 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more. Head down. Head down. In the counts of 3, heads up. 1, 2, 3. In the counts of 3, one more. Head down. 1, 2, 3. Heads up. Open ng 4. Then 5, 6, 7. Face to the left. Okay, one more. Head down.
Ashley?
Feet together. Feet together. Head down, the count of 3. 1, 2, it's up. 3, 4. One more. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ganito natin. Instead na ganito, 8 siya. One more. Ready? Feet together, head down. Heads down. Feet together, feet together. Yan. The count of 3, heads up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. One more. Head down, feet together. Ready? The count of 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. Mabilis, mabilis ha. Faster, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. One more. Head down. Ready? Ready? Arms to the side. In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. One more. Ready? Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Mabilis. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and mabilis. Faster. 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Ready? One more. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 5, and 6, 8. 5, and front, side, side, front, side. Okay, one more. Ready? Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open to 4. One more. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. One more. Ready? Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. 5, and 6, and 7. One more. Head down. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 3, 4. One more. Ready? Feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. No. Yeah, one more. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4. One more. Ready? Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Oh, nauli na. 5 and 6 again. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no. Right first, right first. One more. Head down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Good. Okay, very good. One more. One more. Ready? Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Very good. One more. Ready? Ready? Feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. One more. Feet together. Head down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Very good. One more last. Then music tayo. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Okay? Music tayo. Ready?
Kaya nga
Ako muna ha. Ako muna. Para ano nyo. One.
Red, red top.
One. Two.
Yeah.
Okay? One more. Gets nyo? Gets?
Yes.
Red, red top.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay? One more. Ready? One, two, three, four. One more. One more. One, two, three, four. Okay? Then, pag sabing yeah, gitsara. Yeah, okay? One more. Ready? One, two, three, four. One more. One more. Make sure na tama yung countings nyo. Ready? One, two, three, four. One more. Di ba dalawang beat? One, yung boom, boom. Pakatlo kayo mag-heads up. One more. Ready? Makinig sa music. One, two, three, four. One more. One, two, three, four. One more. One more. Ready? One, two. One more. Nakuha niyo yung timing? Yeah. Okay? One more. Shoelace, shoelace, shoelace. One more. Okay, one more. Feet together, heads down, heads down. In the count of 3, heads up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pam, 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 pam. Okay? One more, last. Ready? Last. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ay na glass. Dito ay glass. Okay? Isolation tayo ng chest. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5, 6, 7. Go. Chest, chest. 3, 4. Okay, one more. 5, 6, 7. Go. Chest. Tila. One more. 5, 6, 7. Go. Chest. Chest, chest. Dalawang chest. One more. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Chest. 2, 3, 4. Okay? Shout. 3, 4. 3, 4. One more. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest. Chest. 3, 4. One more. 5, 6, 7. Go. Chest. 3, 4. Okay?
Chest, 3, 4. Chest, 3, 4. Kinukulong kayo sa bahay ni Lindsay Mansi. Or you kinda hate me.
Okay, sa kabila kayo nakatingin. Dito. Dito tayo nag-glass. Dito nag-glass, dito nag-glass. Thank you, Marjay. Dito nag-glass. Dito.
Dito daw, tingin. Dito.
Yeah. Again, ulitin niyo siya. 5, 6, dito na kanak. 6, 7, 8. Alright, dalawa. 2 times yung ulitin. O, galing doon sa chest. Ready? 5, dun muna. 6, 7, chest. 1, 2, push, 5, 6, push. Gets? One more. Ready? Chest. Isolation ito. Up. One more. Ready? Chest. 6, 7, go. Chest. Push. Chest. Very good. One more. Music tayo. From the top. Ready? Head down.
Rag on my there's another.
1, 2, 3, 4. Pam.
Yeah.
Chest.
Rag on my there's another.
Chest.
Rag on my there's another. Everywhere.
Let's. One more.
Sorry kung masakit siya.
Ready?
Sakit. May pinakain kasi sa akin. Yung candy kanina.
Again.
Kakaubos.
Ready?
Rag top.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Chest. Push.
Rag on my there's another. Everywhere. Rag on my there's another.
One more.
Water break
One
sana
more.
ako.
One more. Sige, last water break. Nauhaw na. Last. So one more. Ready? Head down.
Rag top.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Back.
Rag
Chest.
on my there's another. Rag on my there's another. Everywhere. Rag on my there's another. Yeah. I got that. Rag on my.
Water break.
Init. Tulog na. Malamig kasi. Ang dami.
Yes.
Ay, baray ka.
Picture ka mamaya.
Baray man na.
Pawis na pawis oh. Ay, pawis ba yan? Yan.
Airwalk.
Ang pawis nga.
Okay.
Airwax.
Ready. Is that real or is that a video? Real.
Okay?
Ready.
Sarado mo baka matapon. Close mo mo yan.
Ay, sorry. Kala ko si ano. Oh, ma'am. Malaki ko lang tayo.
Game. Feet together. Heads down.
Order.
Ready? One more. Bago tayo proceed. So, one more. Ready?
Rag on my there's another. Rag top.
1, 2, 3, 4. Pam. One more.
Yeah.
Makinig sa music.
Yeah, pag yan.
Ready?
Rag top.
2, 3, 4. Pam. Yeah. 1, 2, push. 5, 6, push.
Everywhere I go.
Facing to the right. Dito nag-last. Nag-push. Diba? Nag-push. Step back left. Step back left. Step back left. Step back left. Step nyo yung left nyo.
Diba?
Dito kayo natapos. Ah, wait.
Dito po, dito po.
Dahan. At tama. 6, 7, 8. Dito natapos. Okay? Dito mo na yung paa. Tingnan niyo pa ako. Naka-open siya. Yeah! Okay, step back right. Step back right. Step back right. Step mo sa back. Itong right mo. Step.
Punta ka doon.
Oh, one more. Dito natapos. Yung right foot nyo. Step to the back. Go! Step! Again, left. Step! O, ganito siya. Ganito siya. Makinig. Ayan, Marjay. Right, left. Okay, ready? One more, ready? One more, last pose. Last pose. Step back, right, 6, 7, go. Right, left. One more. No, back right kagad. Back right, ready? Last pose. Tingnan niyo pa ni Marjay. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. Go. Step back right. 1. Step back left. Baliktad. Oh, dito yung ikot. One more. Nag-step back lang. Nag-step back. Ready. 6, 7. Step back. Right. Step back left. No! Huwag kang umikot. Dito pa rin.
Okay, pabalik.
One more. Ready? Ito lang, oh. Ito lang. Ito lang siya. Paa muna. Paa. Right. Left. Okay?
Wow! Easy.
Ready? Okay?
Gets.
One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Left. Okay? Right, left. Talikod. Siya, no. Punch. Go. Punch. 6. Okay? Then, harap 7, 8. 7, 8.
Okay.
Say up, down. One more. Step back right tayo. Step back right. 5. Paa. No, yeah. Step back. Balik kayo.
Sali ka lang.
5, 6, 7. Step back right.
Basta na ba?
Right, left,
Ano natin?
punch, and ta-da-da. Okay? Ta-da-da. One more. Yeah. Step back right. Ready? Forward. Step back right. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Go. Jump, punch, and ta-da-da. One more. Ready?
Kaya mo yan?
No, ito. Punch. Yo. Hindi siya magtatama, ah. Control your fist. Okay? One more. Ready? Step back right. 5, 6, 7. Go. Right. No. Huwag ka maingat. Bikot. One more. Step back right. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Right. No, right. Step back. Yeah, ulit sige. Sige, step. Yan. Yeah. No, huwag ka umikot. Right, left. Go. Right muna. Right. Then, huwag ka umikot. Left to step to doon. No. Sige, try. Go. Step back right. Go, right. Right. Then, left. Okay? Go. Yes!
Habit mo mag-drawing.
Tapos, kamay nyo ganito, ha? 1, 2.
Yun.
Yun, Marjay. Yeah! kamay,
Turo mo din sa kanila.
yung kamay ganito. Kids, makinig. Yung kamay, pag step back right, up, up. Okay? Up, up. No, huwag masyadong up. Ito lang, oh.
Okay, dito. Gets.
Yan!
Down.
Up.
Up. Back.
No, right, left muna. Right, left, step. Right, left, step.
Hirap.
Right, left, punch the, then tandara. Up, down. One more, ready? Boys, ready? Step back. Tulog pa, yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, punch and tarandan. Okay, one more, ready?
Gets. Hindi ko na-gets. Hindi ko na-gets.
Sige ulit, para mag-gets. Ready? Again. 5, 6, 7, right, left, punch and tarandan. One more, ready? One more. Ready? Step back right. 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, punch, and tarara. Ang ikot pa ganon. Nakatalikod ka. Pag nakatalikod.
Gets ko na. Paano?
Diyan.
Step your right.
Then, balik to lang ikot. No!
Step your right foot.
Ito siya. Ayan,
Step
makinig.
your right foot.
5, 6, tanungin pa ako.
Right.
Tanungin pa ako. Step, parara.
Okay. Step your
No! Right! Baliktad.
This one. Step it.
Oh, step it. Yes!
Yes. Then this. Oh. Ulitin mo nga. So,
Margie, turuan mo siya. Lalaki.
Okay, wait.
Lalaki.
dalawa yan.
Check.
Isa yung
Check. Punch. Step right. Right. Left. Punch. And tarara. Okay?
Gets ko.
Oh, go. One more. One more tayo. Ready? Okay, step forward kayo rito para hindi kayo tumama sa likod. Step forward, kids. Sige pa, step forward pa kayo dito. Sakay. Yan. Forward.
Step forward.
Ready?
Thank you very much.
Step back right. 6, 7, go. Right, left, punch, and tarara. Good. Isa pa. One more. Ready?
Wala namang
5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, punch, and tarara. One more. Very good. Ready? Malapit na. Ready? Paayusin.
Mama, natabi niya yung charger.
Step back right, ready? No, huwag ka umikos. Step back right. Step back right mo. Yeah! Okay, 5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, punch, and tarandan! Oh, music tayo from the top. Ready? Feet together, head down, hands down,
Tapos,
feet together, ready? Makinig sa music. Open your ears. Ready? Teka lang ha. Ano yung wifi? Hindi mabagal. Okay, music ready?
Red top.
1, 2, 3, 4. Tan, tan, tan.
Yeah. Red on my business. Red on my business. Everywhere red on my business. Yeah, I got that red.
Okay, one more.
Red on my design bag. Red on my design bag. Step out, yeah, more like that. Get that red.
hindi ko kaya.
Teka lang ha.
Hindi ko kaya. Ulitin mo na. Ulitin mo yung mahirap. Ito. Yan. Yan.
Turuan mo na.
Mali yung step.
Turuan mo siya.
Ganito. Coach.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Ano mga tao eh?
Ito.
Maganda yung paa mo po ganito.
Step ko sa likod. Step ko sa likod, tapos taas.
No! Step back right.
Then,
Diba?
gano'n.
Sabi niyo nga meron dito.
Yes.
Ganito. One. Next. Hindi, yung
Sound.
isa. Yung isa. Elevator.
Okay, ganito ha. May kulang kayong steps. Ganito. Doon na tayo. Dito tayo. Ready? Dito tayo. Dito na tapos. Kasi ganito na sa push. Step back right. Right. Go. Step back right. Step back left. May kulang kayong step ha. Ito muna. Siya. Wait. Close. Dito ka lang. Ay, no. Balik. Dito tayo na.
Rico ah.
Tapos, step back right, left. Okay, right ulit. Right, so, wing. No, right. Facing to the right. Right. Facing to the left. Left. Bago mag-punch. Okay, one more. Ready?
Go!
Ready? Step back right. 6, 7, go. Right, left, right. Jay, Majay, isa lang. Right, left.
Ayusin ko ha. Kasama ni Marlene.
Balik. 4 step backward. Right, left, left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left. Right, same lang, same step. Same step ng paa. Okay, one more. Ready?
Against.
5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, punch. Doon na nga, punch. Ayan kay Marjay, ayan. Marjay, dito ka. Dito ka. Pili na kay Marjay, ha. 6, 7,